Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Dance Pixie, where I'm going to show you, teach you how to slay wearing your pixie cut. All right. So, this right here, as you can see, it is it's very short. Okay. I am new to the pixie world. So I decided to start my Pixie video, my Pixie channel, okay, to teach you guys and also to kind of learn as I go along. We're going to learn together. We are going to master the Pixie. Okay, so here I just washed my hair and I conditioned it, okay? Now, um, I have to say, for the last 15 years, okay, so you guys are going to get to know me. I'm going to tell you my stories, as I do my pixie, as I do my hair. All right. Welcome to Duns Pixie. All right. So I have a channel, guys. I have another channel called Duns Beautiful People. The banner is on the top. And on that channel, I talk about hair, relationships, and hospice care. But because I love hair and I especially love this pixie cut, it's bold and sassy and confident, and it's just easy. Not only that, but to be honest with you, for the last, I think, 15 plus years, I've been wearing wigs, okay? Every single day of my life, mostly you could see me with wigs. I mean, if you go and check out, my other channel and also my YouTube page, Duns Beautiful People, you'll see that I'm always wearing a wig. And honestly, I'm just tired of wearing wigs, okay? I'm tired of wearing wigs. And not only that, but I just did not want, like, I know that I'm the kind of person. Oh, by the way, you're going to see some verses, okay? Some verses, some scripture verses on this video as I do my hair. I am a Christ lover, okay? I'm a Christ lover, so just FYI. But that being said, I was just really tired of wearing, my wig, and I did not want, and I'm the kind of person, being natural, to me, being natural, having your natural hair is too time consuming, okay? It's too time consuming. So as you guys see, I'm just molding the hair, okay? This is called molding the hair, where I put the foam, okay? You put the foam, so you kind of shape it. You put the foam on, and then you kind of give it your shape, okay? So this is the Bible verse. This is what the Bible verse says, all right? Now, this video, some of the video, I had put it on my other YouTube channel. So that's why you see in the Bible verse, okay? And I thought, and I know that this was a very good video, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. But yes, so I feel like the natural hair is too time consuming, at least for me. Okay, so I decided to cut my hair off and do the pixie cut. Now, I must say that any woman out there, especially if you're a black woman, you rocking short hair, kudos to you, okay? Because I know that in society in general says that a woman has to have long hair in order for her to deemed beautiful, in order for her to deemed, pretty. And unfortunately, a lot of women have subscribe to this foolishness, of like, you have to have long hair. So I've been hearing that women spend $1,000 wearing wig, and wig is actually bad for your hair, as you guys know. It just ruins your hair. But, we are willing to spend thousands of dollars for something that's fake rather than, loving our own beauty. But that being said, y'all, so yeah, so like I said, I'm just trying to find out what's the best way to do my sides, okay, to do my sides. All right. So after I mold the hair, okay, and I shape the sides, then I'm going to use my curlings, okay, my little curling rods. All right. So just watch and see how I do it. But yes, guys, And so that's why I was like, and not only that, but there's the new tariff, the new, I've been hearing that because of the new tariff in China, and most of the fake hair, most of the wigs comes from China. So I've been hearing that because of that, the wigs will be like 50% more expensive. So I was like, all right, God, all right, Jesus, this is the perfect time for me to lay down my wigs and just focus on my hair. And April was my birthday, so I decided to, for my birthday, I just turned a new age, and I said, you know what, this is now or never. I wanna, get my hair, just focus on wearing my own God-given hair. Like I was just tired of hiding my hair. It's like, anyhow. And also, like, when my hair was natural, I still would wear the wig. It's like, so it's not like I'm taking care of my natural hair. I'm still just doing the wig, you know what I mean? But anyhow, so yeah, so this is, how I'm just putting on the curling rods, okay? All right. So yeah, so this video, yes, so this video, my dance pixie people, all of you ladies out there with pixie hair. So this video is a no heat, okay? No heat. Just kind of showing you another method of doing your hair without using heat. Okay. And the foam, so I use some of the foam to kind of lay it down, okay? The same foam that I use to mold the hair on the side. And I have to let you know, okay, I am not an expert. A lot of the other videos you might see online, these are like from I hurt myself, guys. I snapped it and it just hurt my knuckles. Oh gosh. So yeah, so what makes this channel special is that I'm not a professional, okay? I'm just like you, okay? You out there who's watching this. So rather than, I don't know about you ladies, but let me know. It costs a lot of money. It costs a whole lot of money to go to the salon to get your pixie cut, to get your pixie, what's it called? Like maintenance, okay? Because like as I mentioned to you, for the last 15 years I've been just doing wigs, and I managed to do my wigs by myself, in my home, and I never really had to go to the hair salon to do anything with my wig. So now that I'm having to go to the hair salon, I'm like, wait a minute, since when is a wash and set over $100? Like, really, the last time I remember doing my wash and set, it was like $40, and I was complaining to the lady that was doing my hair. Let me know, my pixie princesses, is it like, does it cost, do you go to the hair salon and see and find out that it's way too much? Like, is there any places that you could go to get your pixie wash and maintain for under $100? Let me know if you could find a place like that. But anyhow, so here it is, the hair with the curling irons. Okay, finally I managed to put the curling irons on. All right, and then I'm going to just kind of wrap it up. And as you see, I'm not sure which way to put it. If I should put it on the front or start from the back, but we'll see. So yeah, so I decided to start from the back. And also my Pixie family, my Pixie princesses, um, I feel like if you have like a long face, like a oval face, the Pixie will go really well with you. Actually, every lady that I've seen wearing a Pixie has it has looked really nice on them, you know? It's just that kind of hairstyle that just looks nice on people. All right, so after I put my, my head wraps on, I'm going to go under the blow dryer and dry my hair for at least 15 minutes, okay? And then I will come back to unravel the hair and to show you how it is. This is another verse, okay? All right. So after I blow dry the hair, now I'm back. I am going to unravel it. All right, just take out the curls and then style it. So this is, my favorite part. I find that I find it so fun to just be able to just, trying to style the hair. The hardest part, of course, it's like molding the hair and kind of putting on the rollers. But then after you are done with that phase, trying to, taking it out and styling it is the best. So yeah, so I'm just sort of brushing the sides, brushing the back. I try to put as little products as possible because I like it when my hair feels light and flowy. Yes, so I just kind of gently brush the back of it, and now I'm just taking off the rollers. Okay, just kind of gently taking out the rollers. As you see, it's nicely curled, and I did not need to use heat. I did not need to use a curling iron like I would have usually. In this way, also, my Pixie Beauties. It gives it more volume, It just gives it more volume. And with my white tooth comb, I just am styling the hair. I'm just brushing it, and just kind of, just fixing it to make it mine, to make it, how I like it. See, the curls are popping, it's like really curly. I'm just sort of like making it a bit long. At this point, it's just styling the hair, especially the front, just styling the front, the bang, whichever way you'd like it to be, whether you want it to go to the side, to the left, to the right, or just in the middle. Okay, just make it your own. Now, if you haven't noticed by now, I have a 7 head, okay? You know how some people have a 4 head? But me, God bless me with a 7 head. And so this style, this pixie style, it's perfect, y'all. If you have a big old head like me, okay, big old forehead, I should say, because like my head is small. It's my forehead that's huge. If you have a big forehead, the pixie cut with the bangs in the front, beautiful. It really hides it, okay? It really, definitely, really defines it. There's room for it to lay down, okay? Let me just tell you that. There's room for it, for the hair. So yeah, so my haircut, it's a pixie long bang, okay? I just decided to keep the front long. So for those of you who have a pixie long bang, all right, these are some tips and advice that I'm going to share with you of how you can manage your pixie at home without having to go to the salon. Okay, and I'm gonna be making videos too of me going to the salon because I will need to go there when I need to shave the sides, to cut the side of my hair. And maybe in the future too, guys, I'm thinking about maybe coloring my hair, coloring the front, but we'll see. So I'm just brushing the sides, you know, because I wanted to bake that side. I changed my mind. I just wanted them to just be just be, you know, down straight without the little zigzag that I had done. Remember in the beginning, if you rewind the video, you'll see that in the beginning I had done some little zigzag, but this time I just want to just keep it straight on the sides. And here I have like a little mohawk going on, and the back was kind of fluffy, so I was trying to put it down a bit. And you know, to me it's like styling the hair to get it the right way that I want it to be, because I am definitely a perfectionist. So it's all a matter of getting the hair to lay like I want it to be. Okay. That little piece of hair was just giving me problems. I'm like, yo, just stay in the middle, don't move, stay in the middle. So I think I might go with this look, but this little piece on the side, it's still kind of giving me a little bit of issue. It has a mind of its own, but whatever. So I'm gonna turn back so you could so you could see the hair. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and see the hair from the back. All right, from the side. All right, I'm gonna turn around again so you guys could completely see the back of the hair. Okay. So let me know your thoughts. This is, you know, this is the end result. As you saw the beginning of how the hair looked till now, this is no heat. Okay, no heat, no flat iron, no curling iron. All right, so this is my website if you guys want to go check me out and learn more about me. Um, and yeah, so this is the hair, you know, after I finally got it to lay flat the way I want it to look. All right, look at it. It has lots and lots of volume. I love it, lots of volume, because I have thin hair. My hair is very thin, so this helps a lot. And this is the side, okay? Just wanted to just leave it natural. Just no zigzags, you know, on the side. Just kind of natural and long. All right, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Take care.